In this video, I will show you how to download and install Crunchyroll on your Roku TV. Now mind you, this will work for any Roku TV device you have. And the first thing you want to do is to make sure that your Roku TV or Roku device is actually connected to the internet. And then you want to make sure that you are at the home of your Roku TV device or Roku TV. So go ahead and press on the home button on your remote control. Now from the home, you just want to use the navigation button to go over to this list of apps over here. And then you want to scroll down until you get to apps over here. Click on apps. And now this will open up the Roku App Store for you. Now, one thing you have to note is that in some Roku device, you're going to find a search bar just at the top or at the bottom of this app store. So you can simply just go over to the search bar and then go ahead and search for Crunchyroll to find the app. But if your Roku TV or Roku device does not have a search bar, just like mine over here, then to get the app, you just want to scroll down until you get to movies and TVs over here. Now allow it to load, and over here you can literally see the Crunchyroll app. Now what you want to do is to scroll over to the right and then just scroll over to this Crunchyroll app. Go ahead and select it just like so. Now you want to go ahead and click on add channels to automatically download and install the Crunchyroll app into your Roku TV or Roku TV device. Now this will take a minute or two. Now, once the app is done downloading and installing, you want to go ahead and click on OK. And then to open it up directly from here, you can go ahead and click on Go to Channels. And as you can see, we now have the Crunchyroll app running smoothly on our Roku TV. Now, if you already have an account, you can go ahead and log into your Crunchyroll app. But if you do not have an account, then you want to scroll down and then just go ahead and click on Start 7 days trial to create an account over here. But basically, that is how to download and install the Crunchyroll app on your Roku TV or Roku TV device. So if you come over to our home now, you can literally see we have the Crunchyroll app as one of the list of apps on our Roku TV. That'll be all on today's video, guys. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.